people who are watching this first time, so I'll just introduce myself. Myself Ashish, and I live in a city called Lonavala. It's a very tiny city. If you've not heard about it, it's quite famous. But if you've not heard about it, so that's Lonavala. And the area which I live is Bhangarwadi. Yeah, I know that while saying it sounds odd, but koi nahi. A lot of people say Bhangarwadi. अभी मैं जो जा रहा हूँ जहाँ पे, तो मैं कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक कहीं जगह पे जा नहीं रहा हूँ. सो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग आउट द माइक बिकॉज मेरे पास GoPro बहुत पहले से था, एंड आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग इट आउट. लाइक माइक लगाने के बाद मैं हाउ द ऑडियो कम्स आउट. सो वो है, कुछ ऐसा स्पेसिफिक कोई जगह नहीं है. एंड आई थिंक लाइक व्हेन यू लाइक राइडिंग, इट इज़ नॉट इम्पॉर्टेंट कि आपका डेस्टिनेशन क्या हो. सो द इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग वुड बी यू एन्जॉइंग. सो that's what I'm doing right now. So by the way, Lonavala में weather काफ़ी अच्छा है अभी. So weather has gone from worse to awesome, I would say. बहुत drastic change हुआ, but like 3 to 4 days back it was raining like crazy. So वो एक अच्छी चीज़ हुई. And also like I'm just going for casual drive. मैंने कुछ भी ना ही gloves पहने हैं ना ही shoes पहना है. Just normal slip-ons डाल के मैंने रिकॉर्ड करने आ रहा हूँ. सो हाउ ब्यूटीफुल दैट लुक्स.
What if I lost touch? What if I'll never get it right? I try to follow my heart, but I lost it somehow. Wish that someone could say it'll all be okay. Just listen to me as I say. Listen to me as I slow it down.
Other disturbance also. So I was just saving for this for my GoPro ka mic adapter. Now that I got it yesterday, so I thought why not just go for a short ride today. And this is so beautiful. We'll take a ride from here. So अभी हम खंडाला में ही हैं. So I would say ये जूना खंडाला है. So अभी खंडाला में हम यहाँ से राइट लेके will connect towards highway. So that highway is old Pune Mumbai highway. And वो highway पकड़ के
listen to me as I say.
But I think like जब भी usually मेरे और videos आएंगे and when I start recording, it will get normal. Yeah. So here you could see this is Pune Mumbai highway, old highway. Just look at the cloud, man. I don't know why, but I'm so obsessed with the clouds today. बहुत ही प्यारा दिख रहा है यार clouds आज. Also, this is not the case for Lonavala like every day. If weekends hai, so a lot of people like from Mumbai they come here like to spend their weekends Lonavala mein. And that is why you could see so many cars here. And also like highway of course, no brainer. So गाड़ियाँ से रही, but I'm just talking about the frequencies. Like if you could see so many गाड़ीज here, so this is just because weekends है तो आपको बहुत ज़्यादा गाड़ी दिखेगी like as compared to the normal days like the weekdays. This is a pure honey they sell. They claim it is pure. I'm not sure. Wow, that was a beautiful bike. I'm not sure you guys could have seen or not, were able to see or not, but that was a beautiful bike. So मैं जिस चीज़ के लिए जा रहा हूँ जस्ट टू वॉच सनसेट हो ना गया हो, मुझे उसी का टेंशन है. हो गया रहेगा तो फिर मज़ा नहीं आएगा. And I think हो गया है because I cannot see sun anymore. Oh, नहीं हुआ. There I could see the sun. I'll again say the clouds. They are so gorgeous, man. You could see the clouds surrounding the sun. कितने प्यारे दिख रहे हैं वो. I think हमको सनसेट दिख जाएगा. So guys, like you will be seeing a lot of videos on this road, I guess, like because these are the only ways. Like if I'll be traveling Mumbai ke side pe, so this will be the road which I'll be taking always. And so I think like I'll be taking a long rides. पहला काम है मुझे बाइक को सर्विसिंग पे देना है, बिकॉज फिर मॉर्निंग में स्टार्ट करते हुए लाइक हालत ख़राब हो गई थी गाड़ी की, बिकॉज 2-3 दिन से बारिश हो रही थी एंड इट वॉज वेरी कोल्ड, और मैंने बाइक चालू ही नहीं किया 2-3 दिन में. लाइक 2-3 हफ्ते से मैंने गाड़ी चालू नहीं किया, बट लास्ट 2-3 days वर लाइक वेरी क्रेजी कोल्ड. सो आई थिंक दैट वुड हैव अफेक्टेड द बाइक. बट ऐसा होना तो नहीं चाहिए, बट हाँ. So it took me like half an hour just to start this bike. So I cleaned up the spark plugs, the petrol intake, everything. Then it got started. Like not sure क्या हुआ था. Just look at this view, guys. Wow. I really find attractive this two lines which are just going above head. Roads are not that good. So I'll have to drive in 40. Okay? क्योंकि बोर्ड पे लिखा हुआ है यार, I don't disobey any traffic laws. I always felt bit weird with GoPro वगैरह लगा के and you are on Pulsar, like very old bike. It looks kind of other people still think like when I'll go out in this way, but क्या ही करना है यार. So after a lot of thinking, a lot of pushing myself, so मैंने बोला यार छोड़ो यार, क्या ही करेंगे. Wow, that's a beautiful fountain there. So now we are in like proper Khandala. So the previous one where I told you guys like we have inside Khandala. So at that time we were in Juna Khandala. So there are two Khandalas. One is Juna Khandala and the proper Khandala. So I was in Juna Khandala back then. Now we are in Khandala right now. Wow. 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 I don't know what bike it is, but yeah, पीछे से तो इतनी प्यारी दिख रही है. I would love to ride this. I really love the tires, like जो higher cc की bike जो होती है, the rear will, wow. Even this will do, man. Wow. I love that bike, man. I love that bike. That was Ninja, I guess. मैंने ध्यान से देखा नहीं, but yeah, it was good, pretty good. And now we are using 150 cc की bike, and that bikes are like way more cc's they pack than my bike. I'll have to think मैं आगे जाऊँ कि नहीं वहाँ पे, but thing is कि यहाँ से तो सनसेट दिखने से रहा. I'll show you guys this section. I think अगर आधा टाइम विजिबल होगा तो आपको दिखाऊंगा, नहीं तो नेक्स्ट वीडियो तो ऑफकोर्स कहीं है, बिकॉज दिस आर द रूट विच आई बी टेकिंग अगेन एंड अगेन. या मेरा पुराना मोनोलॉग चालू हो गया. This is really good, man. Ooh, there is the sun. I, Just look at the crowd. COVID, huh? Who told there's COVID in India, especially in Lonavala at this time? I wanted to go that spot which I showed you guys, but वहाँ पे इतनी भीड़ है, like मैंने रुकने का भी मन नहीं था मेरा वहाँ पे. अरे भाई जा रहा हूँ. This is one more spot. I'm not sure ये ब्रिज को बोलते क्या है. तो आप स्ट्रेट जाओगे तो आपको ये पनवेल तक लेके जाएगा ये रोड स्ट्रेट. That's the sunset. हम अपने बाइक मूवमेंट से सनसेट हमने कर दिया खुद से. Yeah, look at the clouds. This is what I think, like people, bike is some important part while you ride, but I think the journey is more important than the what bike are you riding. And of course bike will help you on a lot of things, but I think the journey is what matters. तो हम काफ़ी आगे जा रहे हैं, लाइक जितना प्लान मैंने किया था उससे काफ़ी ज़्यादा आगे जा रहा है. सो आई टेक अ टर्न देयर. सो सनसेट हो गया, ऑलमोस्ट सनसेट हो गया है. लाइक अगर हम थोड़ा और ऊपर जाएंगे पीछे की तरफ, वी कुड इजीली सी द सन. सो आई टेक यू टर्न वहाँ से, एंड आई थिंक लाइक दैट वुड बी ऑल फॉर दिस वीडियो. एंड सो माई फर्स्ट वीडियो आई वाज जस्ट ट्राइंग आउट things, and yeah, do let me know in the comments like if I could improve something in the videos, and maybe the next video could be much better than this. And here I'll stop.